राधिका और अनंत अंबानी
They look pretty good together.
Very cute.
Perfect.
बेस्ट कपल है.
She doesn't really need to marry someone for money.
They love each other. They're getting married.
like a whole marketing ploy.
मेरे पास इतना पैसा होता I would do the same.
अंबानी सामने है ना, इतनी मेहनत की है, खास मैं भी अंबानी होता.
2024's biggest wedding celebration is finally closing in, and it's on 12th of this month. From Rihanna to Justin Bieber and many uncountable stars have come and performed at the pre-wedding celebrations of Anant and Radhika Ambani. So now that we're closing in on the grand finale, which is the final wedding on 12th, let's see what people have to say about Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant's wedding celebration. So I'm here with a bunch of people and we're going to talk about what they feel about the Ambani wedding. So starting with here, आपको क्या लगता है राधिका और अनंत अंबानी एक दूसरे के लिए कैसे हैं?
राधिका और अनंत अंबानी बहुत बेस्ट कपल है.
Very cute together.
Perfect. बहुत अच्छी.
I can feel like there is a connectivity between them. There's a lot of love between them.
They love each other. They're getting married.
एक तो राधिका उस घर के लिए डिजर्व करती है, जैसा उसका नेचर है या देखने में आया है, और अनंत तो है ही, वो सच में अनंत है.
A lot of people have been saying that it seems like Radhika Merchant is marrying him for the money. What do you think about that?
For the people who are saying this, I don't think they know where Radhika Merchant comes from. So she already has a lot of money, so she doesn't really need to marry someone for money.
People assume looks are everything, but at the end of the day, it's more the personality of the person you're with than the looks.
भावना भी तो कोई चीज है, इंसानियत भी है, और राधिका भी तो चाहती तो पैसे वो भी आ ही सकता था, है ना. और उसकी किस्मत में उस घर की बहू बनना था, तो बनना ही था.
So a lot of people have been saying that they've been spending unnecessary amount of money on the pre-wedding festivities. What do you think about that?
See, everyone, especially in India, it's part of our culture. Like marriage is not like a small thing; it's a very big thing, right? And every family, coming from any kind of background, they always try to do as much as they can for their wedding, right?
ये तो बिल्कुल सही है कि उनका पैसा है, उनके औलाद के लिए खर्च कर रहे हैं. ये तो सही है ना.
We live in a country where wedding is something. It's like a big occasion. तो जिसके पास जितना है वो उस हिसाब से खर्च रहा है. So they have that kind of money, so they can spend that kind of money.
अंबानी सामने है ना, इतनी मेहनत की है, खास मैं भी अंबानी होता. So being Ambani family, like the richest in the country, so they did whatever they could do.
मेरे पास इतना पैसा होता I would do the same. Is that आगे जाके I would be able to tell my kids के oh Rihanna performed at my wedding. That is something.
Like a whole marketing ploy. Janhvi Kapoor's Dancing with Rihanna.
Yeah.
Janhvi Kapoor की movie कौन सी आई है अभी? वो देखते हैं ना. I think it's like a whole planned production thing. It's not something की on the spot stuff.
Or maybe we don't have to overthink उतना ज़्यादा. Rihanna मेरे सामने खड़ी हुई है. Oh my God, I have a chance to dance with her. Oh my God, let me do it.
So for my opinion, I believe that if you have the capacity to spend money behind such lavish functions, you should.
बहुत अच्छी, बहुत ही प्यारी जोड़ी, और दोनों को बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं हम दोनों की ओर से.
So this was your take on the grand Ambani wedding. Exactly how grand is this wedding going to be? We'll only find out on 12th when the wedding actually happens. Until then, this is Nia signing off. Stay tuned to India Today Global for extensive coverage on global affairs.